This 2023 Grand Design Reflection 367 BHS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. This new Grand Design is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, sleeps 10, CO detector, auxiliary battery, microwave, external shower, refrigerator, air conditioning, smoke detector, stove top burner, LP detector, leveling jacks, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-bunk, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Reflection 367 BHS is 12,554 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Superstore, visit RVUSA.com.